All right, it's a video of the RS6. We're located right next to an airport and they're taking off, or the jets are pointing at us today, so sorry if you hear them taking off in the background. That's not a scuff, that's a reflection. The car has some little dust on it. This car is genuinely perfect. There's not a ding, scratch, dimple. One curb mark here. I'm not sure if it's shown in the photos. 150 bucks. That gets me done. No dings. Nothing. Again, this is all dusty, you see. Pixels are perfect. Not much to see under here, but sounds perfect. Wildly clean. Somebody just asked if the seats make a squeaking leather noise. I'm not sure what you're asking me. I'm moving the seats right now, or the driver's seat rather. There's no squeaky noise of any kind. Even these buttons are perfect. This car is, without a doubt, the nicest one you will find. There's no wear anywhere. The buttons are perfect. Everything works. There's no pixelation. Only wear I can see is a tiny bit on over here, which is pretty unavoidable on even a one-year-old car. But it really is the real deal, this car. Headliner's perfect. Everything's perfect. Paint's original. It's time to bid, guys. This is really the right car. I think the comments have been a great time this week, but this is the end. If you missed this one, I'm really confident I'll find a nicer one. The steering wheel's perfect. I mean, it is such a good car. I've driven it myself. By the way, this is Andrew taking the video. Sorry for the poor videography skills, but I just wanted to give it a look myself. All the books here. Next owner is going to love this car. Good luck, everybody.